Greetings cruisers and a warm welcome to you all. Thank you for joining our last Cruise Hive news updates of the week. And for the final day we have 5 news stories waiting for you as Carnival Cruise Line shuts down balcony request. Carnival removes Perk restriction. We also cover a family left behind during Alaska cruise, and Celebrity Cruises makes changes and more. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas, the second Icon class ship, hit a construction milestone on July the 17th at the Mayavev shipyard in Turku in Finland. The 363-ton Aqua Dome, a glass structure with 673 panels, was installed. This engineering feat brings the ship closer to completion. Star of the Seas, home porting from Port Canaveral in Florida, will offer 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean itineraries starting August the 31st, 2025. The ship will accommodate up to 7,600 guests and feature a signature aqua theatre, dining options and unparalleled views. Celebrity Cruises announced updates to its Blue Chip Club program in an email to loyalty members on July the 16th. The changes, which included resetting tier credits to 0 on August the 1st and removing certain benefits, prompted significant feedback. In response, Celebrity Cruises clarified on July the 17th that current Blue Chip Club members will retain their existing tier status and benefits until July the 31st, 2025. The new tier benefits will apply a day later, starting in August the 1st. Adjustments include modifications to free play, drink packages and photo download allowances. Carnival Cruise Line has clarified that hanging hammocks on balconies is not allowed on any of its ships. This announcement, made by the cruise line's brand ambassador John Heald, addresses recent guest inquiries and internet rumours. Although hammocks are not listed on Carnival's prohibited items list and are popular souvenirs at various ports, they cannot be used on board for safety reasons. Heald emphasised that cabin attendants would not assist with hammock setup and noted that safety protocols strictly prohibit such use, a policy in place since at least 2022. Carnival Cruise Line has removed restrictions on a popular loyalty perk, providing more flexibility for its Gold, Platinum and Diamond members. Effective from July the 20th, Gold VIFP members can redeem their complimentary drink on cruises of 5 nights or longer at any bar, anytime. Platinum and Diamond members now have the same perk available on all cruises without time or location restrictions. This change follows years of guest feedback aiming to make the loyalty program more enjoyable and convenient for repeat cruisers. On July the 12th, the Gold family missed the Norwegian Encore cruise ship in Ketchikan, Alaska due to a mishap with a local tour operator, leaving them stranded. The Oklahoma-based family, consisting of 9 members, could not rejoin the ship at its next stop in Victoria, British Columbia on July the 13th due to missing passports. Consequently, they watched the ship sail away from Seattle on July the 14th without their belongings. The family incurred a nearly $9,000 charge under the Passenger Vessel Service Act and additional expenses. Norwegian Cruise Line is working to reimburse their costs and has offered a future cruise credit. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.